My part is not all that great, but yeah. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I'm going to bring this video today regarding a video that I did about a week or so ago regarding this hair. It's from a company called CYNCHIA Beauty, and it is their Indian classy curly hair. They have 3 different styles on their website, and I'll have the website right there, CYNCHIABeauty.com. I'll have the links below, discount codes, etc. on this hair. This is not an AliExpress vendor. This is the real deal. This is real human virgin hair. Now I'm going to let you know what I've seen in the difference of real virgin hair versus companies that claim that theirs is real virgin. You can tell that this company, this girl has put no chemicals in this hair. There was an absolutely zero smell to the hair. And I kind of learned the hard way that this was 100% authentic hair. So let me tell you what I mean. So I wanted to color the hair. You all know that I have a few videos of me curling curly hair, not so much straight hair, but it's AliExpress vendors. And when I use the BW2 powder as well as the developer, I can leave the stuff on for a while, like 20-30 minutes, and it just turns kind of a caramel color. Well, after about 15 minutes, I just went to check on this hair, and it was like, oh my goodness, like over processed hot. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So the hair was literally almost platinum. Like, it took so fast. So I'm trying to wash the hair out, and I had already washed it before. I had washed the hair out, and I'm like, oh my goodness, you know, I have like ruined this hair. This was some beautiful, I mean, the curls were beautiful. So I only bleached the bottom of the hair. So I want to show you the curls just a little bit closer. I mean, mine are a little bit mixed in here, but the curls are amazing. I don't know if you could see that. That's some of the extensions in there. The curls are absolutely amazing. So the bottom half, I was like, how in the world am I going to fix this hair? I have got to fix this. This hair is amazing and beautiful. I talked to the owner of the company. She is amazing. Her name is Sherry. She is so beautiful, so nice. And she just said, you know what? I went over to another country and studied this hair. She didn't want the integrity, you know, ruined. She was like, you know, just tell the truth, you know, what happened. And I'm like, wow, she's amazing. She's awesome. And I'm telling you the truth. I over processed this hair. So what the hair was looking like. So it's curly still at the top, but the bottoms, yeah. So I tried to do that technique that they have on YouTube. I don't know if you've seen it. Steam processing the hair. She said that her hair is steam processed, and she said you could try that. Yeah, I don't really know the whole technique on that, and I really was not successful with that. So what I did was I said, well, you know what? I love roller sets. As you can see in the video, I did like a roller set on it. I put just some like a lot of body on it. You all know what a lot of body is. It's just a setting lotion, and sprayed it on the hair with a little bit of water and put the rollers on it. Put it under, I have a soft cap dryer, put it in there. It dried so fast, and here are the curls. They're probably gonna fall a little bit, and the inches that I have in right now are the 14-inch. Now that's another thing about the hair. You only need like 2 bundles, maybe 3. I used 2 bundles and maybe 1/8 of the 3rd bundle. I ordered too much hair. So there's so much hair that comes in these bundles. This one is the 16-inch, but it's so much hair that comes in it that I'm like, oh my goodness. So I'll probably use this for like a ponytail or something like that. But look at all this hair that I have left. So I used 2 bundles plus a bit of the 3rd. And none of the 4th. So I was like, wow, that's so much hair. So I'm just letting you all know that if you were wanting to make a nice full wig. And I made it on one of those wig caps that are kind of like the adjustable netted type of, you know, wig cap. You've seen them at the beauty supply. Not on the spandex dome, not on the mesh one. It was the one that is adjustable. So you've kind of seen my experience with the hair. The hair did not have a smell at all before or after the processing of the hair. I absolutely just love the hair. And if I order again, I'll probably order like 18, 20, 22 inches, you know, something a little bit longer. But I definitely wanted kind of like this kind of style, like, you know, just big voluminous curls. I absolutely love it. I mean, the hair smells amazing right now. It just kind of smells like a little bit of my setting lotion, and it's just such a beautiful piece. It's so soft. As far as the shedding is concerned, yes, there was shedding. I would say hardly any shedding before I started processing it. After I processed it, there was some shedding to the hair. As far as, okay, so coloring was extremely, like you stay on top of the coloring of this hair, like, you know, like you would your own hair. Like my hair, I used to curl it or color it back in the day. It colored like that, so it reminded me of my hair. So you just want to be careful with that. That's pretty much it. I'll have all the links and everything below about this hair. It's like, this one again is the Indian Classy Curl. It's blending almost seamlessly to my hair. I'm gonna get a little closer so you can kind of see. My part is not all that great, but yeah. So that's pretty much it about the hair. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you let me know if you purchase from her. Her name is Sherry, and these are her cards. She's gonna send that to you. These are the cards and her number and everything. CYNCHIA Beauty. Absolutely love it. And then you kind of see how the hair just blends. My hair, I would say, is like a 4A, more 4B type of hair. So the hair blends so excellently to it. Oh, and the color that I have in my hair is kind of like a copper. They call it like a copper color. So I just put it over the blonde, and it took amazingly. Absolutely loved it. And that is about it. I just want to fix my parting for you. Okay. By the way, I have not cut into this hair at all. It's just curled. That is, yeah, that's it. All right, I'll see you in the next one. All right, so I already started before I put on the camera, sorry. But this is the wig on that netting type of cap, and you see there's the adjustable strapping, and I put 3 combs in it, and those are the curling rods I only put at the tip. The tops of the curls were amazing still. I didn't touch it with curler or anything, and I washed the hair multiple times, and the curls still were beautiful. And so this is just how I am applying the wig. Just 1 comb right in the middle. And these combs are right at the dollar store, very easy to find. Not the dollar store, they're at the beauty supply. They might be at the dollar store, but very easy to find. Those are the adjustable combs that kind of just snap in place, and they hold so well. So if you guys have a question about the makeup look that I am wearing, I will have a video on it either before or after this video. It's kind of a really beautiful bridal look. So I'm taking the curlers out, no particular order, and as I take them out, I'm just kind of picking the curls apart. Trying not to be too vigorous with it because I don't want the hair to be frizzy. this is me taking my hair apart. Now there's a couple of ways that you can blend your hair. I was going to take my hair apart and then just take strands of the extensions and twist it together, but it was blending so well, and my hair is very thin. It didn't used to be, but it is very thin, but it covered over this and blended with this hair, I mean, so seamlessly. And as you can see, all I did was twist my hair and put a little rod at the end like I did with the hair. And I'm like, okay, this is working. But if you want to secure it more, I would take a piece of your hair with the extensions and twist it together. That's just one option. But that is the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to have all the links, everything below. Feel free to ask me any questions, and there will be a discount code. All right, take care, guys. See you in the next video.